Honk the horn. Understanding everyday English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, honk the horn. This phrase is often heard in daily conversations, especially in contexts involving vehicles and driving. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. The phrase, honk the horn, refers to the action of pressing a horn in a vehicle to produce a loud sound. This sound is usually used to alert others of the vehicle's presence or to draw attention in situations where immediate notice is necessary. The word, honk, is an onomatopoeia, meaning it imitates the sound that the horn makes. Honk the horn is a phrase you might hear in various situations. For example, in traffic, if a driver is not paying attention when the light turns green, someone might say, "Someone needs to honk the horn." In playful situations, children might say, "I got to honk the horn," when they press the horn in a parked car. In emergencies, honk the horn if you need help is a phrase that might be used in emergency situations. Understanding the cultural context is important. In some places, honking the horn is a common way to communicate on the road, while in others, it might be considered rude or used only in emergencies. It's important to observe how it's used in the specific country or region you are in. Let's practice with a few sentences. 1. Can you honk the horn to let them know we're here? 2. The driver honked the horn to warn the pedestrians. 3. It's fun to honk the horn, but only do it when necessary. Try creating your own sentences using honk the horn. We hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase honk the horn in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about understanding the context and culture. Keep practicing, and you'll be honking the horn of English language learning in no time. See you in our next video.